Civil unrest has broken out in South London as 4 confirmed dead and 29 injured. In the borough of Lambeth this morning, an outbreak of violence was reported in Brixton near Ruskin Park. It is currently unknown what caused the violence, but it is believed that it was after a police controversy in the area. Surrounding areas have been reported to be set ablaze by the mob. As for now, this information is all that we have. We will interrupt your programming to bring you these news reports. More information will be broadcasted as the situation develops. We now have word that the Greater London region is under martial law. This means the city has been closed off from outside source. Violence has now left London and has killed over 800 people according to the Home Office. Manchester and Birmingham city councils have announced that if rioting and looting continues to happen, martial law will be put in effect. Prime Minister Gordon Brown is expected to address the nation in about 30 minutes. It has also been brought to our attention that every county in Britain is experiencing major rioting and looting. The Home Office and Ministry of Defence have ordered martial law and a shelter-in-place effect for the entire United Kingdom. This means all citizens should remain in their homes or place of refuge and stay there for a minimum of 48 hours. Any person spotted outside will be shot on sight. Prime Minister Gordon Brown has stated that this is a major incident and will be treated as such. Gordon Brown has evacuated Downing Street to an undisclosed location. All sporting events have been cancelled until further notice, and all motorways will be used only for military purposes. All telephone lines will stay open, but it is still unclear how long for, as the power grid could collapse without proper management.
Becher had sex in the bedroom. Joplin. God, he is so boring. But that's so me. Exactly. He's had his...
Head of the Emergency Services has claimed those responsible for the violence engulfing the nation are not technically alive. Eyewitnesses describe dead or injured people apparently attacking one another en masse. Police advice is to seek shelter immediately, barricade doors and...
Please stand by. We will try and give you the most information possible. At this time, channel 4 servers are currently down, but we are trying to fix the problem. This is an automated message activated by the emergency broadcast system. It is advised that you barricade all doors and windows. Making as little noise as you can will be key to keeping safe. In an event of civil unrest, it is also advised that you do not go outdoors until you have been instructed to. Channel 4 servers are currently down, but we will try and bring you the most information as possible. Telephone lines have been prohibited from public use and gas and electric supplies have been shut off.